Welcome to the installation video for the RV Series 12 PSC single 35-quart waste container with soft close. Before you begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a tape measure, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a waste container, a frame with soft close, uprights, a handle, basket, and number 8 by 3/4 inch truss head screws. Begin by setting the frame inside the cabinet. Make sure there is no interference with the cabinet door when opening and closing. Measure to make sure the frame is square with the front of the cabinet. Mark 4 hole locations with your pencil. Remove the frame and pre-drill the front and back holes. Ensure the frame is in the closed position. Secure to the cabinet floor using the number 8 by 3/4 inch truss head screws. Next, slide the frame out of the cabinet and remove the 2 pre-installed screws on the rear of the frame. Install the rear basket using the same screws. Attach both uprights to the tubes located in the frame. Make sure they are facing the correct position when inserting. Attach the handle. Now insert the waste container. An optional door mount kit, sold separately, is designed to work with all RV Series waste containers. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.